Want to turn your Safepal wallet into a 500 a day money machine? This is a breakdown of how you could, but listen closely. It's not a guaranteed get-rich-quick scheme. First, let's talk about trading inside Safepal. You can directly swap between different cryptocurrencies, identify coins with good short-term volatility, meaning their price moves up and down a lot, buy low, sell high, simple in theory. Tough in practice, use technical analysis, look at charts, moving averages, and trading volume to predict price movements. Remember, trading is risky. Always use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Next up, DeFi yield farming. Connect your Safepal wallet to decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap, or lending platforms like Aave. Deposit your crypto into liquidity pools, or lend it out to earn interest, which is paid in the platform's native token. This can be highly profitable, but also carries risks like impermanent loss, smart contract vulnerabilities, and rug pulls. Research a platform extensively before putting your coins in. Staking is another option. Some coins held in your Safepal wallet can be staked directly through the app, or by connecting to a supported staking platform. By locking your tokens, you earn staking rewards. This is generally less risky than yield farming, but your coins are locked up for a period, and the value of the coin can still fluctuate. Finally, participate in airdrops. Many new crypto projects give away free tokens to early adopters. Follow Safepal's announcements and the broader crypto community for news of upcoming airdrops. Completing simple tasks like following a project on Twitter or joining their Telegram group can earn you free tokens. Airdrops are mostly free, but some projects could be scams, so vet them first. Crucially, remember this: all these strategies involve risk. Earning $500 a day requires significant capital and a high-risk tolerance. This is not financial advice. Do your own research, understand the risks involved, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Good luck, and trade responsibly.